Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say, as usual, thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. I always really appreciate it. And Joanna does too right there. Right, Joanna? The silence means yes. So I came home and something cool got delivered, and I was excited to go ahead and show you guys. It is taco related again, but it's a cool mod, and I got it from TACOMABEAST. So let's check it out. Alright, it's a little bit hard to have 3 kids out here, especially the little one that doesn't want to help you. Jesse, so what's in the box?
A light.
And where did I get it from?
TACOMABEAST.
So those are Winjet smoked tail lights. So all we need is a trusty 10mm socket to take off the tail lights. And then we have to detach everything. See?
Nope, I'm just
If you're tired, we can go ahead and
see taking it out.
So reverse light. We still keep the bulb. I got my LEDs there. So that's about it. Thank you to TACOMABEAST for the lights. Peace out. Okay, Jesse.
Shut off?
Yep.